Hi, I'm Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing. I'm talking today with Ambrose Schaefer, Global Product Line Manager for Electroless Nickel with McDermott Enthone Industrial Solutions. Talking today about trends in the EN industry. What are some of the signals and things that you're watching in EN, and what do those kind of mean for the plating industry right now?
So we see a lot of efforts right now focusing on decarbonization efforts around the globe. A lot of governments are incentivizing decarbonization efforts, and a lot of new applications, specifically in the EV space and also in green hydrogen production, are utilizing EN technology for a lot of the components that are utilized in those spaces.
So can you talk a bit about the role that EN plays in some of these applications such as EVs and new energy vehicles?
We see EN being used on several different, what I would call consistent components in battery and hybrid EV vehicles. For example, in the thermal management space, we see Electroless nickel being used on some of the heat sinks or pin fin type components. We see many different configurations of those. There's a lot of complex geometries associated with those types of components, and they also see corrosive environments. So Electroless nickel, being a autocatalytic type of plating process, deposits a very uniform deposit thickness over very complex geometries, which makes it a perfect fit for those types of applications. And also, Electroless nickel, being a very, very resilient and corrosion-resistant barrier coating, again makes it a perfect type of coating for those, let's call them hard-to-plate components.
So let's talk a bit more about some of the other sustainability attributes. You recently wrote a paper on sustainability and EN. Can you talk a little bit about that subject?
So we're promoting our low metal EN technology, which is a departure from the conventional operation of Electroless nickel. Ever since its inception, Electroless nickel has operated at 6 grams per liter of nickel metal. Now we have a full product line offering that operates anywhere from 3 to 4 grams per liter of nickel. And that is really a truly sustainable technology where the effort to reduce overall components in the Electroless nickel has been achieved. So not only do we reduce the nickel concentration in the bath, but the concentration of all the other constituents in the bath is reduced as well. So you have a more dilute solution, and with that more dilute solution, we see a number of benefits that come from operating in that low metal type scenario, such as longer solution lives. We also see a benefit to applicators, where we see lower concentrations of the nickel, leading to less issues with contact from nickel and less nickel in the air emissions as well, which is a benefit from a sustainability standpoint. We also see improved solution stability, so we do see more nickel ending up on the parts as opposed to ending up either in the rinses or in strip solutions or on tank walls and ancillary equipment due to plate out. So there's a number of benefits that come from operating low metal Electroless nickel baths that could benefit applicators and end users alike.
You can learn more about reduced ion Electroless nickel by reading Ambrose's article in the October issue of Products Finishing magazine. Visit pfonline.com and check it out.